In this video, I'm going to show you how to track flight prices on Google Flights. Now to do this, first you want to go to Google Flights, and then from here you want to select where you want to go to and where from. So I'm going to select from, and we're going to do London over here, and I'm going to select this airport over here, and then for example, where to, I'm going to type in Sweden, okay? Let's do Stockholm over here, and I'm going to select this one over here, so this airport. Then you want to select if it's a round trip, one way, or multi-city, and how many people are going, as well as what type of flight you want. You have four options: economy, premium economy, business, and first. Of course, you can type in any location you want. You could also go to this explore tab to find them up top, and then you have to put in your departure date. So I'm going to do 15th, and we're going to do to 17th over here and click on done. Then you want to go and click on the search button over here, and as you can see, it's going to give you all the data for that specific search query. Now here you can see it says track prices. So if you want to track flight prices, you want to go and select either this toggle over here, which is going to put it on the list, or you could do any dates over here as well if that's what you want to do as well. Then it says you'll get emails. You can click on the view button over here, and this is going to tell you what exactly you are tracking, okay? So as you can see here, I'm now tracking prices for from London to Stockholm, and of course it's going to give me email notifications as well because I toggled this on. And then any dates over here I do have for London to Stockholm, and I did have LA to London as well because I set that up earlier on, okay? So that way you can then track flight prices. You can come back to this page over here and you can see them. It's this link up top, or you could just go to your email where you will receive updates regarding your tracked prices. So that's how to track prices. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.